Can you kiss the water?
Can you kiss the water? Oh, that was lousy. Kiss it.
It's lousy.
Can you get bubbles on your face?
Little beard cheeks.
Go. Can you do it? There you go. Can you pour water on your head? Alright, pour it on your head.
Can you count, Caroline?
Well, get me.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Not interested in counting right now.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Like frog.
Back that thing up. Alright, say bye-bye.